Good morning, everybody. This is Kyrie Elizabeth. She's about to be 10 weeks old tomorrow. She just got her 2-month-old shots on Monday, and she now weighs 12 pounds, 2 ounces. And as you can see, I am cheating by having the bottle placed up on the plate. But I don't think there's anything wrong with that as long as you sit right there with it. I don't let her go by herself.
She's having a hard time getting it. Oh, there she is.
Hi, everybody. Hi. She could smile. You want to show everybody how you smile? Or you won't get mad because I told you Titi. I know. Kyrie, smile for Mama. Oh, look at my baby. There's my sweetheart.
You look very pretty today. You look smashing.
Yes, you do. You look smashing.
Look at this beautiful girl. Hello. She's getting so big.
Yes, you are. Look at those pretty little feet.
These are cutest little feet.
Hi, Mama. She's a little character.
Oh, sweetheart.
She's changed so much in the last couple weeks. I can't believe it. Yeah, she has. You're gonna start getting mad. You want that bottle back, huh? Let me see. Mommy, 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 mommy. Mommy, 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 mommy. Is that funny? Yes. Oh, she found her hands too. Show everybody how you look at your hands, Mama.
Such a pretty little girl.
Close up. Close up. Can you see the camera?
Is it funny looking? Achoo!
You can't see right now because it's kind of dark in here, but she has the most pretty blue eyes you've ever seen. They're prettiest, huh? You're looking right at that camera. Like, what is that? Please get that on my face. So you can see she's got a little scratch on her face because she scratched herself. Where, Mama? She's a little diva, huh, sweetheart? You're a moose. What kitty's trying to get in here? Shadow. You've got some nasties coming out of your mouth. Alright, we'll give you your titi back because you're starting to get mad. Everybody, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye everybody.